Restrictive trade practices, as the term indicates, are practices which are restrictive in nature and put restrictions on flow of supplies in a market and trade. Any agreements which is restrictive in nature, whatever may be the manner of restriction, will be RTP, restrictive trade practices. Unfair trade practices are unfair to the consumers. Both these practices are injurious to interest of consumers. Different types of practices have been established which fall under these two categories. The Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act 1969 MRTP Act deal with both UTPS and RTPS. Originally, the module will chop the development in such practices from MRTP Act to present day inclusion in Consumer Protection Act and the Competition Act. First of all, it is necessary to understand that constitutes a trade practice. According to Section 2 of the MRTP Act, trade practices means any practices relating to the carrying on of any trade and includes anything done by any person which controls or affects the price charged by or the method of trading of any trader or class of traders. A single or isolated action of any person in relation to any trade. Section 2X of the Competition Act 2002 define trade as trade means any trade, business, industry, profession or occupation relating to the production, supply, distribution, storage or control of goods and includes provision of any services. Section 2M of the Competition Act 2002 define a practice. A practice includes any practice relating to carrying of any trade by a person or an enterprise. The Competition Commission of India deal with restrictive and unfair trade practices. Recently, in few important cases, let us discuss a case before examining definitions of such practices under different acts. In the case of DLF, information was filed by Blair Owners Association for delay in possession of flats and violations of buildings restrictions norms. It was contended that DLF has abused its dominant position and inflicted several arbitrary and unfair terms of contract on the apartment allots of group housing complex called Blair Apartment Buyers Agreement was examined by the Commission. Restrictive trade practices. Definition of restricted trade practices as defined in MRTP Act, Consumer Protection Act and Competition Act are as discussed below. MRTP Act 1969. MRTP means Section 20. RTP means any practice which has or may have the effect of preventing, distorting or restricting competition in any manner. A practice will be a RTP in the following cases: when it tends to obstruct the flow of capital or resources into the system of production, when it tends to bring about manipulation of prices or conditions of delivery or flow of supplies in the market relating to goods or services in such manner so as to impose on the consumer unjustified cost or restrictions. Section 33 of MRTP Act gives the following list of agreements relating to RTPs which were required to be registered under the Act. Section 3 of Competition Act prohibits anti-competitive agreement in corporate cases in which there is a presumption of anti-competitive activity.